welcome to the Game of Apps Summer Internship. I'm really excited to have all of you here. This is going to be an 8-week program where we're going to teach you what it's like to be in the working industry. Let's start out with a little bit of introductions just to get to know each other a little bit, So I'll start first. My name is Leah. I am a design mentor here at Game of Apps, and I'm excited to work with all of you in these 8 weeks. So let's start with you first.
My name is Maddie, and what I'm excited about is playing games all summer in app form or otherwise. That's going to be so amazing.
Okay, nice. What about you?
Hi, I'm Lanby, and I'm also super excited to be playing games all summer.
Okay. Yeah, so quick question. Who here thinks that we're going to be playing games all summer? Oh God. Okay, that's okay. You know what? Sorry for the confusion, everyone. But this internship, we're actually going to be working on marketing, design, editing, and working on the Game of Apps brand.
We still get paid, right?
Yeah.
Let's go! That's awesome. Yes. Awesome. Woo!
Bye. See you next time. Bye. See you later. Bye. Roland, where'd you find these kids?
Reddit.